All right. Now, so we're talking about Timaya.
As
Timaya enter inside Instagram. He post a picture of himself, the chill with a friend. He can write, say, thank God I know they do 9 to 7 jobs or 9 to 5 EO. People call the attacker and say, Timaya, you are this, you are that.
Man, that's the most interesting line.
Tell me one.
The most interesting line where I like. Those people where they do 9 to 5, Abi? 9 to 5 jobs.
Yes.
Those people where they work that to 5, they help you work so that they go use out of that their salary, buy your ticket for your show. That one.
See,
So
make I tell you
what
now
do you
wetin
do?
dey happen. A lot of Nigerians they frustrated.
Hey.
A lot of people know they happy with where they dey.
Yeah.
I dey tell you the truth.
It's true.
Now for Timaya, be like say you dey rub your blessing for person face. Be like say now you be Olowo for a certain community. Come they rub and to the face of people where they help say now me they help. If not,
But
for
you
me,
know say I
nobody-
get money.
But you know say I get money.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. Now the way the fans they feel. Now a lot of fans for outside, and even those who don't be fans, will be the bad people will join chook mouth for inside the matter. They forget say, irrespective of the fact, say yes, in the chill on the Monday morning where people they hustle, they find money where they want jump enter.
Overnight
Say
in the studio.
thank you. Say like maybe sometimes 7 days straight, these people know they sleep, then they hustle from show to show, from meeting to meeting. Then they hustle say, okay, how I want to do this, and then
So that you will enjoy the show when
when show no they when anything no they can't say okay then they chill on the Monday morning you they vex. You feel hustle the kind hustle where then they hustle.
Because if Timaya enter bank saying one bank work now, the whole nation go take him as their headline. Timaya resign being an artist now they look for bank job. It go become headline.
But I actually like where Bettina take to because they come on top Instagram talk say, hey, thank God say I not do 9 to 7 job. Not mean say in just a lazy around. They sleep every day.
They walk past.
They walk overnight.
A lot of
And you know what you want artist?
Nah, nice.
You know
They
what
work
one
overnight.
artist tell me, we hang out with him, you know, he say, the job where you put your strength and everything to, naim, wuna we be fans, no they won't. The one where you just say, you know what, I tried the last time, they no pick up. I just stay on it
Now
so
that
that
blow.
they go just download. May not be like, say, I don't do on out of the scene for a while.
Now
that
that
one
go
go
come
come,
hit.
and you won't meet up that heat. You won't continue with the fire to
You
the
know
burn.
they
Now
easy.
follow up. So
For me, somehow it is harder than the 9 to 5 job. Ask me why.
Yeah.
Because maybe we use the banking sector for example. It gets schedule, it gets protocol. They already get arrangement of how it they be. But for the industry, no arrangement there.
Now
If you
you
do
go
it this
arrange your
way,
life.
if you do it this way, you no go work. You do it this way, you go work. You don't know the way where you
And
want
for
to do
years,
it, where you
you
go
no
take
work.
Now just once. Sometimes
And
you
it's
go
a
hustle the hustle for like 10
competitive
years.
Whereby if you sit down, they relax, another person don't release song.
not be
Thank
like
you.
bank
Push
wey be
you
say
on that
dollar they'll
carpet.
come.
You're
Even the
always
oldest
thinking.
bank now, people still dey invest their money put
You
inside.
know the funny part about this thing, the person, the artists themselves, now their brain then they use more.
That's what I'm saying.
Now brain tact, as in now their brain they work 24/7. But those of them, they talk say 9 to 5. Nobody talks about it to do 9 to 5 job. Some people I know I've been doing 9 to 5 job
Some 9 to
before.
5 now sweeping though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Some 95 now.
It's just
So
complete
tell me,
frustration
how you
now.
want? Yes.
No,
It just
at
be like
that.
it just be like us now. Let's say we post a picture on that. We say, oh, thank God.
It's
for
Friday,
our
thank God it's
show.
Friday.
Say we don't finish. Say we don't close some show. People go dey insult us. That say I talk.
No be just to talk.
They don't get work.
They just sit down for yeah, talk. When I talk,
I don't get that one before. Doctor say not be just to talk.
But I don't know say the job. These are jobs that no be 9 to 5.
ladies-
These are jobs now 24/7.
Let's enter another carol.
Make we read letter from our
Viewers.
person wey need help from us today. And we say no whether we go fit help you, but you way there out there, I beg, try to check your mouth inside. Make you go on top Twitter, go on top of Facebook, make you go help this person. All right, she say, hello, talk ladies. Say, are they ask for okay, friend of mine asked me for advice, but I don't know as I want take put the advice. That's why I carry the matter, can't give una. But make una forgive me, I know if you type for pidgin. Idi Allah will forgive you. She say, that's the friend now. I be 18 years old. And she meets this guy that they call James. They date for Facebook for 2 years. The guy don't spend a lot, though. He don't buy her phone. And he even promised, say, he go sponsor her admission or her school fees when she don't get admission to go to school. Now, she don't come Lagos and she don't come get the admission. But she not come there interested in the relationship again, but now in money. After all, the guy, they 8 years older than her. She won't end this relationship, but she don't know how she won't take end am. I beg, wetin una think say make I do, make una advise me.
You like say the story not complete. Why you not like the relationship again? 2 years.
Just like what we talk yesterday. You know, say your that dictionary where you be right, say you want to make your man dey wear socks.
No. I'm going to use pillow stone you.
Today, if you see somebody with wear socks, you go to ask her what happen. You understand? So the girl, okay, imagine maybe saying her from where she they come from, not be like village. Maybe just say somewhere like Asaba. No, I just do for example.
Okay, that's what
man say Auchi. She they come from Auchi. The kind people, now the same circle of people they see over time for the same place. Now you don't come Lagos. You don't see Lebanese, you don't see Afghanistan, you don't see Palestine, you don't see Yoruba, you don't see Igbo, you don't see Ghana, you don't see Takpa. My dear sister, you should have a choice. Takpa, Lupe, Kogi, Niger State.
Okay, when you get Takpa, they want to go Takpa.
I mean, you know one India.
You don't get
village.
different choice now to make, and maybe you don't come like the way Palestinians say they like their women, or the way they say they talk to their women, or whatever. So,
darling, if you not even be saying a white person in Palestine,
no, I just talk.
If you say one of our friends don't go meet and say, if you go school, the kind guys way full school. You go see the ones where they drive car come. You go see the one where you find, the one where you do this. Leave this man. The man don't really like you. Na Facebook. Meet rich man. Where go they buy you flower every day. You go to see him face to face.
No, but Nigerian girls don't like flower. Now who live?
That's what you think of. But nowadays flower
but
they sell.
You are just people wasting your time. You don't look that man well. 8 years.
You go come imagine before you go finish school,
old blood. But don't old. Your pikin no go enjoy him, papa. No, leave him. Now what for you?
That talk today.
Not true. Yes, because papa don't old.
No. So who can papa old? No, they enjoy papa.
No. It's different from the young one. They go say, "Oh, sorry, is that your grandson?" No, that's my son. Oh, really? Oh, he's so cute.
And they're like,
they know.
Maybe you not see pictures online of young couple, maybe like young girl married young boy. So if I go say you see what I tell you, so you can't take picture with them.
your husband will just get wrinkle before you.
Concerning the way we they talk, the girl no talk whether she don't eventually get the admission, Abi, because she said the guy offered to pay her admission fee. So I assume she don't eventually get
the admission.
No, and now no be situation of say friends they tell them now waiting she don't see.
Yeah.
Because I don't see them happen to. I get friend where it happened to before she enters school. She get person where she date, and then she enters school like Queen B say you see different kinds of people. You see the ones where they say they come from wealthy home. You see the ones where they say they be the bubblers of the school. You see the ones where they say that they collect award, best dress, most handsome jambite, most this one, most that one, most that one. So you won't come compare them to person maybe say na 8 years. Now another father figure again for your life. You say na daddy you want for the girl don't view. She don't see everything where they happen for inside. Say, oh man, I can't deal with that old man. What's in they happen? See these bros where still they sack jeans. So maybe say I like as they wear socks inside trainers. I like her very, very well. Like this one, you understand? They were like say, oh my God, I've arrived. You can't see me she settled for a man with 8 years above her, on top her. No. But for me, I go say to the girl, she's still there young, even though say some of her mates don't marry. But marriage, they're too long for you to say you won't settle. If at this point she don't realize, okay, I know they're in love with this man, I did in love with him money. I did very proud, so she even feel differentiate him at this time. Say now waiting they attract her be this. So make she follow him up like that. Say, okay, I know they're interested. I tell the man, better late than never. Yes. Instead of say she goes stay there, say out of pity or out of compassion, say she want to with them. Or make she finish school. That one, no, Baba God ain't go even answer the game matter if she remain like that. But now when she don't find him out, make she let the man go amicably.
I feel the story is actually incomplete. What do you mean? I don't know whether that's still Facebook. Whether they don't see Facebook.
She don't come Lagos.
She don't go.
Maybe she don't
like it. But the dating start from Facebook like 2 years.
No, wait, she
they date on Facebook for 2 years.
Now
she don't see him.
She don't see him. The man don't go her place.
Even buy her phone.
Go her place, buy her phone.
Don't spend money
for her head. She don't go the man place. They don't sabi themselves. She can't realize.
You talk this one just now.
Yeah, you did. She can't realize it.
Now the money she did
just money I like. It be like I did in lust with this man.
Maybe she don't like the man physical.
She don't
talk yesterday.
May I tell you that one of our Nigerian films where I watch. The man,
good at that.
I know they to watch but this one I managed to see. The man na tapa, wine tapa. He can't suffer. You know all these village champions when they see babe like this, village champion babes.
Okay.
You can't see the babe. Say this babe sets. You can't say you can't marry the babe. You can't pay the girl school fee. Send the girl go Lagos. Do everything for this girl. By the time the girl can finally come back to village, she can realize say she no fit marry illiterate.
My sister, not go far. That one I feel. This one, it happened for my Koro as a former tenant. Then do unto him. The girl name now Ujunwa.
She do unto the guy.
She do unto the guy. The guy they spare parts.
I want to know where the Ujunwa there now.
She don't marry. She not even born.
Oh wow.
Sometimes some people, one thing what we
Not mean say she dey happy where she dey.
Okay, we never know.
No, but let me tell you something. Sometimes, the men know they understand. Some people not helper than bill.
Yes.
They are just sent to be your helper, but no take them the other way. Just because waiting people go talk, now you go come push the guy. But inside in mind, just to say, okay, she feel go now. But some people go say, after you spend all that money, finish, you go let the guy go. Now there the guy go come pick the anger from again. But I tell you, some people now help us just to help you lead the way, show you the road, and you go. And if he let you go with ease, say no problem. You never can tell tomorrow who go come back to come meet somebody and say, okay, you know what, I remove this person for where he did because he did part of my life.
So I just like say the girl realize say
it's still time today.
It's time there for her to just take off, dust your shoe like this.
And she dey selfless enough to actually come out and say, okay, you know what's in.
Yeah.
Not like this it be.
Yeah, and some people go never agree to spend much.
Some people go get greedy, say, okay, this one get money, no worry, I go use them as maga. May just did that one for them. I go they lead them.
You get some for their phone,
but
recharge
if you
card.
say it dey okay, make she tell her parents.
If she not fit handle them alone, if she not fit handle them
guy.
alone, to go tell the guy, say, I know they're interested again, then nothing stop her from involving the parents. Say, okay, you know what, like this is bio, and actually, I know feel say one day with this man, I beg, make una come inside, help me.
She's 18 years old. What if the parents actually agree to the fact that she don't start to date at 18?
Make them happy say she even fit get courage to come tell them.
That now what we do always talk, not make parents.
Now depends on the relationship.
Now,
she gets with the parents.
Yeah, to her own parents. What will be our final words to this lady?
I'll just say, I dey proud, I dey proud, say she fit identify what she wants at the age of 18. Because at 18, I know she say I know what I actually want. I know if I go back to my 18, I do so many things where I know believe say I do am. I dey proud of her. But thank God say you know I'm now. Stop am.
Yeah.
If you feel say the man today old enough, you know, if you tell him, look for somebody, look for means to take tell him, because the fear of, may this guy not go do me something, go feel still dead there for her.
And the day where she want, make she not go in house.
Just end down somewhere.
Are they very happy say she realized saying that the money she didn't love it. In fact, I give you kudos. First things first, pack your load, meet the man, gently, find out, quiet me. If you see say where you tell him, you know, he reacts. Find person who will help you calm him down, or find a subtle way. Just stay off, stay clear.
Yeah.
Better now.
I don't be say if you want to tell him anything, I beg no go in house. Maybe they public place. Maybe say if you raise hand, if you shout, hey, by me, and then go help you. Because yes, I don't see a lot of situations where people go say they won't break up with somebody, they can't go in house, the guy can't do badness to them. So I beg you, they open place where you feel run or shout for help.
For me, my final words be say as long as not be person they ginger you to actually leave him. But if on your own you don't decide, say no, I don't think I love this person, now just the money I like, fine, leave him. But if now another intention you get, hey, because if I go school, I go meet this, I go meet that, you go need to actually rethink them first and ask yourself, am I using this money as an excuse to leave this person? Or now waiting sister A or sister B don't actually tell me. Then you go make the final choice.
Yeah. People don't talk.
But we're going to need to pass more break now. When we come back after the break, we'll read most of our responses and then we'll take you sabi say and where or throw away.
They come back.
Yeah, what's up? What's happening? My name is Files, aka Files the Bad Guy.
My name is Mike Aremu.
Ladies and gentlemen, they also calling me the What's Up Guy.
Make una not stop to the watch
Talk
on top
Wazobia TV.
I una not bone this station. No.
Don't change it. Thank you so much.
All right, welcome back. Now time for us to read most of our responses on top Facebook.
Okay, for inside Facebook, Hope. I don't know the kind of name that one. Hope. He said, you know her though, first of all, she need to open up and tell her parents about everything because that na person with senior am with 8 years. And 18 years no mean saying you na correct adult. So tell your parents about him and how you want to back out. Then tell them in a responsible manner, say you know they're interested again. In case you want gas, your parents please assist you. But assist you out because never trust all these online dating individuals just to be safe.
Yeah.
Ufoma Faith, that one say, why will you collect money at all when you don't know if not clean money? The way where you start and go end them like that.
Spiritual.
But it's a Neku Sarah. She say, well, you meet her for Facebook. Go back to Facebook. Go tell her.
simple.
Say you don't want to again. Waiting you start inside Facebook, go end up for there. I miss talk ladies so much. Ken Moore Jr. He say, I know they do again, no be fight, you hear? Now you force them to spend. Now only lazy men, they count how much they don't spend on top woman. God bless you.
The man talk that thing.
The man talk about.
Oh, congrats to Lobia, well done.
So just approach and plead with them to understand, say, the earlier the better. Una pathways now than later. Or simply do hashtag avoidance strategy.
Correct.
Hashtag Betsy understand. I don't understand.
You understand?
You understand.
Better understand.
But I'm a girl.
strategy.
No chop or show free. Oh. If you not sabi wetin you they do, oh, I don't talk my own. Talk ladies, I dey hear you. Michael Lovett, she said this is not my little advice. 1, not tell your parents about this one because only you na start am. As for the guy, no collect anything from him again. And no visits. Stop to take the guy in a romantic way. Just stop all that. You know they're attracted to him. And one day, one problem, then you go get full opportunity to tell him. Okay, one day find problem. So you go get full opportunity to tell him, say,
But she creates the quarrel.
I don't like this your beard. I've told you before. Go and remove this beard.
In fact, it's over.
What time did the guy come here and say, oh, you don't like it?
I'm
coming.
shaving.
No, you know go talk. I'm coming. You just go and come back. You don't shave him.
I did not tell you to shave everything. I said I don't like mustache. You shave the beard.
It's over.
Alisa Nekusera, she said, Kate, please, at your age, you should focus more on your career.
Okay.
Not not dating men because of their money. Please change that mentality of yours because it is wrong. Be satisfied with what your parents are giving you for now. If they don't have enough money to send you to a higher institution, get a job of your life and save money. Then your parents go support you.
Exactly.
God bless you and stay out of trouble.
Bam.
That one even there our constitution, Nabi.
Yes.
The book of
Now, Michael Presh,
Oh,
he say, I greet the talk ladies.
Now, the last one will take with that.
Yes, yeah.
My dear sister, it good say you don't find out, say you love the money and not the man. So rather than carry on with playing games in the relationship, please just tell the guy how you feel. Whatever you may have spent, it don't matter. Truth, they say
If you want the money
of
back,
a false life. But please, don't do them to another man. No, don't do it again. Don't do it. My
And
sister,
if she
you have
give back
received
the phone, now that
advice.
phone she say they do Facebook, where she'll take another client.
No, that's not shares. That's not benefits from the 2 years
guy
where they don't
invests.
spend.
Yeah,
No, wait,
fine.
for all the things where she don't actually read, I like the one where come outside talk say, you not force them to spend. And men where they actually brag about, hey, I don't spend
Na
this and
lazy
spend this.
man.
Now lazy men, because I don't understand why men go to say, I bought you earring on Monday. I buy you shirt on Tuesday. They're going to count the things
Like
so
say
they
I
don't
beg
actually
you,
do
make
for
you buy 'em.
What about you where give them the attention, you give them the care, you give them
time.
the things where even
No, they not free.
No, leave attention, care, and time. Some
No, I'm
women
just saying
actually
it.
they even they spend vice versa on the men, but
Yes.
you know go hear them. Now only the man own you go hear.
That's why when
No,
you
let's
go
say
to
even
spa,
if the
you
man
pay
dey
for
spend.
spa. Attention and care where I spend. Yeah, you pay for spa. So attention and care where I give
even
to
if that
you.
man they spend, you give him your time too.
I want to learn, you sabi say.
You sabi, which one first?
You sabi say.
All right, now time for you sabi say. Now number 1, you sabi say lobster blood no get color, but when it dey open to oxygen, it dey turn to blue.
That is
Lobster. Where would they chop?
Crab.
Nah. See when you most of the
No,
picture
that one
now.
a cow. That
Okay,
one a cow. Okay.
Most of the picture of the lobster.
Lobster.
Say lobster blood no get color.
I know actually
but
like
when
that.
it dey
You don't-
open
you
to
don't cut am,
oxygen,
try am.
it dey turn to blue.
I never cut.
I don't see them online. How do they take make them? But I don't want taste them because no. Move next. Next
bush
one.
somewhere.
All right, the next one. You sabi say the longest street for the world na youngest street for Toronto, Canada, and it dey measure 1,896 kilometers.
I don't know.
That will be street again now.
I don't
Na
know.
road.
People village.
Na road.
Along, well.
You don't go there.
Now,
where they say
the
no.
next one, you sabi say your tongue na the fastest healing part of your body.
Yes.
What?
Your tongue.
Your tongue.
It
dey
happened
heal
to me
fast.
recently.
Fastest what?
Healing part,
of
they
your
heal
body.
fast.
You bite them and
If
you
you bite
heal
them,
with them.
but
Yeah.
I still they get the pain.
Exactly, I dey feel am.
But they heal fast,
They
faster
heal-
than other
yeah.
places.
Even when it dey inside my mouth and my saliva down, still now they heal. Ah, God
They
is
heal.
mighty.
I
Get
even
your
feel say na because of the saliva and then the heat where they for inside.
Yeah.
They make am dey
They
heal.
make am dey
But
heal
they talk say if you wound for body, make you know
This
cover.
tongue, they different from the skin.
Yeah. And the last one on top, you sabi say cows no get upper front teeth. Tell me
That's
what
how
you
you
do.
do.
So that if the cat won't bite
what's the they use the chew
See the
grass?
down teeth, they get teeth for
they
down.
Not say I say I use a tongue, cause one.
they
but
chow
na
with
grass.
they chow with the side tooth.
With the side
this one.
tooth, they even get teeth down now. See now.
Okay, now
They
why
get
they no
it.
fit bite?
Then they bite too. Bite.
Cow
I
don't
don't bite you before.
That's just say that
Alright,
they
we
bite.
go, we are throw away.
No, not just way. Go throw away. Just fine clothes. Where I go gather. See this beautiful crop top and skirt.
Alright, the first one, lady in green.
Is she a vegetable?
What is she wear? Banana full her body. Banana not full her body.
Na banana
Yeah.
say banana dey be. Lettuce.
Who want them?
Which kind
Who
of
want them?
Okay, leave.
Until Ogun said no go agree with her.
Until pass. Well, me, I pass, we pass.
See, be now, you say fashion statement. You go carry this out fashion statement now, show.
No, this is not a fashion
Why
statement.
don't
This is a fashion mistake.
Flies then go, then go
I
embarrass.
say Until Ogun
Next.
said no go agree with.
I go where?
No.
I'll go where?
Sorry, I'm not.
Be like school girl. As in,
Well, it depends.
rapper and one kind of.
I know just like I know just
Sometimes,
like the
sometimes dressing and mood.
Who is the person?
So
Who
who
wear
wants
the
them?
Dressing
Amaka?
na mood and dressing
I
na
don't like
physique.
Alright.
I like
I
am,
know
but I
like
no go
am.
wear am.
I know
Yeah.
like am.
But I like them. Queen B.
I know
Next.
like am. All of you are quiet.
Yeah, because
They
we don't
digest
understand why
Look
the
the
next
cloth.
day longer than the main.
You know why why be quiet? Because when you see J-Lo wear this kind of thing and then her body come outside inside,
Then you
dey
can't go
wonder.
wear them.
I go wear am, Queen B.
Yeah, your body almost like J-Lo.
Only say I did smaller version.
My body not dey almost like J-Lo. Baby, I go wear am.
Yeah. All right, so we own. All right, if like now. All right. If you don't say anyone when you like among the dresses on our show, all right, let us know on top Facebook or on top of Twitter. The one when we show last now, we want them. The vegetable
You
now.
not even give me comment. You not even give me any how they go put am commendation. Say yes, your body be like.
Your body be like Beyonce.
Thank you, thank you, my sister.
The black version of Beyonce. All right, you get for Twitter.
Yes, for Twitter, people they talk about the Timaya matter.
Okay.
And one person say, no be bad belly because we they go 9 to 5 work, we they use the money they buy in CD and then go use our money, go they smoke. So we they stupid. Then another person talk again, he say, I don't get anything against him blessing. But now someone go do the 9 to 5 work and 7 to 10. Now may God bless all of us. Me, I no go buy a CD.
When they play song, deaf your ear.
Another person say, my sister Betiana, we all they hustle. I be accountant by day, radio presenter by evening, writer by night. Not be beans.
So what go happen with Petty statements?
So the one when you talk now, if
It not
somebody
affect
comes
your
around,
hustle now. It not affect your hustle.
No, the person just, no me they talk. I mean they talk say artists they hustle. Say people know they see their hustle.
Everybody they
so,
hustle.
So now in the person they talk say
Okay.
everybody get
they
their own
hustle.
hustle. Now another person they talk say broken relationship they better than broken marriage. Concerning our letter from the viewer.
Yeah.
So they say don't waste the man time anymore. Just call and tell them to your face say
right,
bros.
2 years with 8
Finish.
years. Which
10
is-
years.
That's 10 years. All right, thank you so much to all those who actually send us message on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia. But keep on the send, we'll go read them out tomorrow. And don't forget that we get something special for you Christmas period. So stay
Yes,
tuned
sir.
to your one and only show, Talk
Yeah.
Wazobia TV.
Yeah, man.
As we they always they talk darlings before we come out.
To talk no be bad thing, but make you know what you need to talk about.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.